This 1930s-era estate that underwent a meticulous renovation in 1995 has sold for $4 million after sitting on the market since 2015 for as much as $8.5 million. It was also the most expensive home for sale in Indiana. The Tudor-style brick mega mansion is extending over 20,000 square feet with 6 bedrooms and 13 bathrooms. Situated on just over 3 acres of land, surrounded by mature trees, landscaping, and cascading creeks, this historic mansion is the epitome of old-world architecture, privately nestled away from the noise of the city center. Outdoor features include a gated entrance, motor court with a fountain, a gated portico chair, terraces, patios, swimming pool, and a tennis court. There is also garage parking for 4. Extraordinary finishes complete every interior space with European fireplaces originating in the 16 to 1800s, antique chandeliers, and sconces, and the finest woods. This classic home remains true to its heritage in the elegant drawing room with adjacent winter porch. With its floor-to-ceiling windows, looks like the perfect spot to sip a cup of tea while listening to your favorite vinyl. Stunning library fitted with fine English walnut and a graceful dining room. The formal dining room carries on the tradition of beautiful details, from the stunning chandelier to the repeating herringbone pattern picked up yet again in the stonework inside the marble fireplace. The heart of the home rests in the open and flowing great room, kitchen, and family dining space. This gourmet kitchen is definitely one of a kind, with its gold-trimmed La Cornue range and granite countertops. Finished with oak floors, soaring ceilings, warm fireplaces, and beautiful views of the rear property, the home is casually elegant. Resting on over 3 acres, the property features a tennis court, pool with pool house, blue slate patios with lush rolling grounds overlooking the private Lilly pool, the lush gardens featuring a waterfall leading to the stream below. The picturesque property exudes elegance and tranquility. And the home was sold for $4 million in June of 2020.